Welcome back to Lesson Plant Kitchen. I'm Grant and I cook plants. I'm an educator and a vegan, and today we're going to look at how to make bierocks. To make the dough, you'll need 1 packet yeast, 1.5 cups water, 1 teaspoon sugar, olive oil, 4 cups flour, 1/2 cup soy milk, 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 cup plant-based butter. To make the filling, you'll need 1 medium or 1/2 of a large onion, 2 to 3 cups red cabbage, salt, 2 cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 cup sauerkraut, 1/4 cup plant-based cheddar shreds, 1 tablespoon vegetable stock, 6 servings TVP, Worcestershire sauce, and light soy sauce. To make the dough, we're going to start off by boiling that 1.5 cups water to about 105 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Add the sugar to the water, add the yeast, then give it a stir and about 10 minutes for the yeast to feast. Use the olive oil to coat a bowl and prevent your flour mixture from sticking. Then in that bowl, add the 4 cups of flour, the soy milk, and the baking powder. Add in the activated yeast and hot water, the melted plant butter, give it a good mix, and then knead for about 10 minutes. Set the dough to the side for about 30 minutes to rest in a warm place. And now we're ready to make our filling. Start again with that medium onion. Give it a good dice. Add that to a hot pan, and then chop up your red cabbage. Salt to taste. Add your 2 cloves garlic. Stir. We throw in our seasonings, including our paprika, our cayenne, our cumin powder as well. Finally, add in the sauerkraut, give it a stir, and top everything off with those plant-based cheddar shreds. To make the beef filling, you'll want to heat up 3 cups of water with some of the vegetable stock and put in only 6 servings of TVP. I was still new to the TVP game and way too much left over with 12 ounces. Season with Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce. Then go back to your dough. Knead it again for about 10 minutes and divide into 12 portions. You'll find it's probably still sticky, so flour it up and spread it out and fill it up with your vegetables and beef. Tuck it into a nice little ball and put it on a baking tray. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, and just before it's done, give it a nice glaze of plant-based butter to finish off the bake. I hope you enjoy this savory bierock recipe. To find the nutrition info and references that help create this bake, please visit lessonplantkitchen.com or the links in the description below.